So today we are going to cover chapter 16 of class 8, the reflection of light. So first of all, what is light? Yes, the light is a form of energy that allows us to have sensation of sight or see objects. What are luminous objects? Yes, objects which have their own light are called luminous objects. Example, sun, light bulb, fireflies or stars. What are non-luminous objects? Objects which do not have their own light are called non-luminous objects. Example, plastic, fabric, wood, or metal. Now, as we all have studied in class 7, that there are three types of objects: transparent, translucent, and opaque. Transparent objects. Objects that allow us to pass light through them are called transparent objects, like water, glass, or air. Translucent objects. Objects which allow us to pass partial light to them are called translucent objects. Example, wax paper or frosted glass. Opaque objects. Objects which do not allow to pass light to them are called opaque objects. Example, plastic, fabric, wood, or metal. Now, we are going to learn about reflection of light. So, the bouncing back of light by objects is called the reflection of light. Every one of you may have watched your face in mirror, but you know why? Not on other surfaces like book or any paper. Yes, because the mirror is so smooth, and when the light falls on mirror, it gets reflected back, and hence we see our face in mirror. And the types of reflection are the regular reflection or diffuse reflection. Yes, regular reflection. As we know, mirror is so smooth. Therefore, if a beam of light falls on it, the entire beam is reflected in only one direction. It's called regular reflection. And the irregular reflection, when the rays of a beam of light falls on an object with rough surface, it gets reflected in different direction, is called irregular or diffuse reflection. Now, let us learn about law of reflection. So, the first law of reflection states that the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection are equal. And the second law of reflection, according to the second law of reflection, the angle of reflection is always equal to the angle of incidence. Also, it is important to note that when a ray of light falls normally on the surface of a mirror, then the angle of incidence and the angle of reflection for such a ray of light will be 0. Now, we're going to learn about characteristics of a mirror. So, the characteristics of an image formed with a plane mirror are: image formed is erect, the image is of the same size as the object, the image is laterally inverted, that is, the right side of the object appears as the left side of the image. The image is as far behind the mirror as the object is in the front of it. The image formed is virtual, that is, it cannot be caught on a screen. There is no actual meeting of light rays, incident and reflected. And this diagram shows you about reflection of light. So, a diagram of an object in two plane mirrors that formed an angle bigger than 90 degrees, causing the object to have 3 reflections. So, this is a multiple reflection. Yes, what is a multiple reflection? Yes, if a reflected light ray is reflected again on being incident on another surface, it is termed multiple reflections. Multiple reflections are used in periscopes. Now, the uses of plane mirrors. Yes, the uses of plane mirrors are: they are used as looking glasses, they are used in solar cookers, they are also used in constructing periscopes, which is used in submarines. They are also used to make Kaleidoscope, a toy which produces beautiful patterns. They are also used in very scientific instruments. And at last, we're gonna know about a kaleidoscope. So what is kaleidoscope? Yes, we are looking on a toy. It is kaleidoscope, so let us know in brief. Yes, the principle of forming images by mirrors at an angle to each other is used in a toy called kaleidoscope. Thank you.